You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buongiorno. We are looking at how to pronounce this word and how to say grandpa or grandfather in Italian. We'll be looking at how to say more words as well. Do you know what this means? Well, you'll find out. Stay tuned. Nonno. Nonno is how you say grandpa or grandfather, how kids would say it. Double N means a long N sound. Nonno. Nonno. It's easy. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more confusing but useful Italian vocabulary. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.